Irregular Verbs Rap. Let's begin! Learn irregular verbs by groups. Learn irregular verbs by patterns. Don't just learn them one by one. Sing the patterns, have some fun!
A, B, B, A, B, C.
Lots of repeat and sing with me. Step by step we'll learn them all. One by one, both big and small. Up are all verbs. Don't you see? All three forms agree with me. No big changes, nice and easy. Learn this pattern, sing with me. Every lesson helps the most.
Put.
Learn them now, they're really cool.
Cut.
Nothing changes, that's the rule.
Let.
Easy verbs you'll always get.
Hit.
Practice every little bit.
Shut.
You can learn them, yes you can.
Set.
Learn this pattern, don't forget.
Hurt.
Do your best and learn the words.
Burst.
Learning English comes first.
Cast.
Good foundations always last.
Spread.
Learn these verbs and move ahead.
Split.
Every day improve a bit.
Quit.
Never quit, keep going strong.
Fit.
Keep on going, you'll be fit. Bit. Learn these patterns bit by bit. All the forms are just the same. Learn the pattern, win the game. Pattern 2, A, B, B, verbs. B, that's the key. The last two forms always agree. Past and participle sound the same. Learn this pattern, win the game.
Buy, bought.
Practice hard and learn a lot. Bring, brought. Learn the pattern, sing and tell.
Teach, taught.
Learning English can be fun. Think, thought. Keep on singing, everyone.
Catch, caught.
Don't stop now, you've learned a lot.
Fight, fought.
Keep on learning, never stop.
Build.
Strong foundations help you grow.
Find, found.
More new knowledge all around.
Hear, heard.
Listen carefully to words. Keep, kept. Practice more and never rest. Leave, left. Every lesson brings success.
Lose, lost.
Learning time is never lost.
Meet, met.
Practice more and you'll do best.
Sell, sold.
English skills are worth more than gold.
Tell, told.
Share the stories that you know.
A, B, B.
Happy, keep passing around.
A, B, B.
Bass and particle agree.
A, B, B.
Sing the pattern easily. King drunk free. A, B, singing forms.
A, B, C.
Now look and see. Every form is different here. First comes A, then B, then C. Sing along and learn with me. Begun. Learning English can be fun. Drink, drank, drunk. Feel the beat and sing along. Set. Learn these verbs in one big chunk. Ring, rang, rung. Hear the bells go ding dong dong. Swim, swam. Everybody join the song. Sing, sang, sung. Learn the pattern word by word. Spring, sprang, sprung. Jump together, everyone. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Learning makes your worry shrink. Stink, stank, stunk. Funny words can make us laugh. Run, ran, run. Practice makes you number one. Come, came, cut. Everybody join the song. Become, became, become. Sing together.